Now, we are going to start our lesson for this week. Today's is Lesson 5, Project, and Lesson 6, Story Time. This is the content standard and the learning standards for today's lesson. We are going to focus on our main skill, writing, and our complementary skill, reading. Learning objective. Class, by the end of the lesson, student will be able to first recognize and read a personal email. Fill in the blanks correctly to complete a personal email about themselves. Listen and enjoy reading about Charlie's birthday surprise part 1 story. And understand the story about Charlie's birthday surprise part 1 by answering the comprehension questions correctly. Success criteria for today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, you should ask this to yourself. I can first write an email about myself. Second, answer 10 out of 12 questions correctly about Charlie's birthday surprise part 1 story. And the third one is to match 3 out of 4 characters in the story with their dialogue. Now we are going to start with Lesson 5, Project. Please open your textbook to page 11 and be ready. Are you ready? Now we are going to listen and read about Kumar's email.
Module 1. Project 1. What's Kumar's favourite sport? Listen and read.
Hi, my name's Kumar and I'm 10 years old. I'm from Malaysia and I live in Malacca. I've got a brother. His name is Rama. Have you got any brothers or sisters? In this picture, I'm playing football. Football is my favourite sport. What's your favourite sport? Please write back soon. Bye for now. Kumar.
Okay class, now let's take a look at Kumar's email. Okay, how do we know that this is an email? Okay, the first characteristic of email is that it has a to and from address bar. In to, you write the email address of the person that you want to send the email to. In the from, you write your own email address. What is an email address? Email address is an account that we use to send mail through internet. Usually, it has our names, the symbol of @ and then the web that we register our email. Look here, this is Kumar's. Okay, and Kumar write an email about himself. He said that he is 10 years old, he's from Malaysia, and he lives in Malacca. He also got a brother. His brother's name is Rama. And then he asked to pen pal, have you got any brothers or sisters? He also include his picture in the email, showing what he likes to do, which is playing football. And then he asked his pen pal friends, what's your favorite sport? Please write back soon. Bye for now, Kumar. Okay, class. Now, we are going to move to Activity 2. Look here, Activity number 2 in the same page. Read Kumar's email and complete. Okay, this activity you need to write in your exercise book dalam buku latihan. Okay, just write down the instruction and then this one, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, number 1, name. What is his name? Yes, I already highlighted here, Kumar. What is his age? Yes, 10 years old. Where is he from? Yes, just write Malaysia. He lives in Malacca. Family. He's got a brother. And he likes football. Good job. Have you finished? Now let's check our answers. Yes, correct. You get all correct. Very good. Now let's move on to the next activity. Now, please open your workbook to page 7, project. We are going to do activity 1 and 2. Look at activity 1. Complete about yourself. First, write down your name, your age, where are you from, which is in your country, where do you live, which is your state, family, how many siblings do you have? If you have no other siblings, just write, I'm an only child. The last one is, what do you like? Okay, there is no correct answer for this because it depends on you. This is an example of an answer that I have done for you. Name, put your name here. For my case, it's Sabrina. Age, put your age, 10 years old. And here, I'm from Malaysia. I live in Selangor. Family, how many sisters or brothers do you have? And the last one is, I like one activity that you like here. This is an examples of my answer. Okay, this is my name, my age, obviously not 10 years old, but I'm giving this for you. I'm from Malaysia. I live in Selangor. I have one brother and 2 sisters, and I like playing badminton. Students, now we are going to write an email about ourselves. Okay, first you have to put your email address here. Just write your name and then put at gmail.com or at yahoo.com, or you can use your Delima email ID. Okay, and then you fill in the blanks here with the information that you just write in activity 1. After you finish completing this email, then you can draw a picture of yourself doing the activity that you like. Students, I have labeled the blanks for you. Here, you should put your email. How to write your email? I have give an example here. Write your name at gmail.com, and then you fill in the blank with the information that you just did in activity 1. Okay, you may follow this as a guide. And again, for this activity, there is no correct answer because it's based on what you write in activity 1. When you finish, please send a picture of your work through Telegram.